With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove 2 screws. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. Remove the screws from the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. Now we return with the assembly process. Now it's time to check if the device works properly.